Welcome to the Endless Listening Podcast. We're so glad to have you here. In today's episode, we'll take you through an exciting story called Name. This story is perfect for beginners, especially those at the A1 level of English, and is designed to help you improve your vocabulary, listening skills, and overall understanding of the language. So, grab your headphones, find a cozy spot, and get ready to immerse yourself in a tale that's both fun and educational. Let's dive in and start this journey together. Hi, my name is Jack. It is a short name, but I like it. My parents gave me this name because it is easy to say and has a special meaning for our family. Today, I will tell you the story of my name. When I was born, my mom and dad wanted to give me a strong and simple name. My dad said, "Let's call him Jack. It's a name for someone brave and kind." My mom agreed because she also liked the name. Jack was the name of my grandfather. 2. My grandpa was a very nice man who worked hard and helped many people. My parents said, "We hope you grow up like Grandpa Jack." At school, everyone knows my name. The teachers say, "Jack is easy to remember." My friends call me Jack, or sometimes Jackie. I don't mind. It's nice to have a name people like to say. When I was little, my dad would read me a story called Jack and the Beanstalk. It is about a boy named Jack who climbs a tall beanstalk and meets a giant. My dad said, "This Jack is brave, like you." I liked hearing that. It made me feel happy and proud. One day, I asked my mom, "Why didn't you give me a long name like Alexander or Benjamin?" She smiled and said, "Jack is just right for you. It is strong, simple, and perfect for a smart boy like you." That made me feel good. I also know many other people with my name. There is Jack Sparrow from the Pirates of the Caribbean movies. He is a funny pirate. There is also Jack Frost, a character who makes winter cold and snowy. I think it is fun to share my name with famous characters. Sometimes, I wonder what it would be like to have a different name. Maybe a long or fancy name like Christopher or Nicholas. But then I think, Jack is part of who I am. My parents chose it for me with love, and it reminds me of my family and my grandpa. My name is simple, but it is special to me. I like being Jack. What is your name? Does it have a story? I think every name is important because it tells us something about the person who has it. Names are like little gifts from our parents, and they make us unique. That is all for the story name today. Now I will ask you 3 questions to see if you understand the story. 1. Who gave Jack his name? 2. Who was Jack named after? 3. What story does Jack's dad read to him? Leave your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description for a free PDF of today's story. Make sure to download it to enhance your learning. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode with another exciting topic to help you learn and grow.